I got a recipe for you. Strawberry and cream cheese stuffed French toast. I'm getting hungry just thinking about the words. Let's get started. We are going to begin with the low-fat cream cheese. In a small bowl, take your half a block of low-fat cream cheese. Then you're going to take your icing sugar and your vanilla extract. Whip this up, and then we'll be back. Now we're gonna move on to the wet ingredients. In a larger bowl, I'm going to take 3 to 4 eggs. I'm gonna crack them in there. Next, I'm gonna add in my almond milk, and then the sugar, nutmeg, and the cinnamon. Take my whisk and beat these up until they're all fully incorporated. All right, I am just finishing up the strawberries, just cutting them into small little thin slices of strawberries. All right, so everything's ready to go. I've moved my egg batter into something that the bread can sit in. I've got my wonderful bread here and the strawberries. We are ready to go. So let me show you what we are doing. These are looking good and ready to go. The egg batter is ready to go. So onto the stove, which I have a frying pan set to about medium heat. When that's ready, these are gonna go in. Time to eat. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and leave a comment downstairs. And I'll see you in the next video.